gonna start our recipe by making the soup. So we're gonna chop 1 medium potato, 1 whole onion, 3 garlic cloves, and 2 medium zucchini. We're gonna chop everything and we're gonna put everything in a pan. In the same pan where we put our vegetables, we are going to add 4 cups of water, half teaspoon of lemon zest, 1.5 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. We are going to mix all the ingredients together, and then we're gonna bring our pan on the stove and we're gonna bring it to a boil. We're gonna boil it until the vegetables are completely cooked, which is gonna take about 15 minutes. And now it's time to spiral our zucchine. The zucchini will become our noodles. So here I have used a medium size attachment, so I can have a pasta-like consistency, but it's not gonna be too thick that they're gonna be too hard after I cook them. So the machine creates these super long strings. So now I am going to cut them like a spaghetti size, which is about 10 inches. So I am grabbing one string, I am folding it, and I am trying to give it the same length, so everything is gonna cook nice and evenly. After the vegetables are cooked, I am going to blend them and I will add 10 mint leaves. This will give the soup a little bit of freshness. And then, to give it a little bit of acidity, I'm gonna add the juice of 1 lemon slice. It's time to steam our noodles, and here I'm using a steaming basket. I don't have enough space between the basket and the pan, so I'm using an extra support. I am adding 1 cup of water, and then I'm gonna add my noodles. I'm gonna cover with the lid and I'm gonna steam for 1 minute, no more than that, or they're gonna become soggy. To complement the flavor of the zucchini and to give a little bit of a crunch, I am going to toast 1/4 cup of pine nuts. I turn the heat on medium, and when the pan is ready, I'm start swirling it around until they are nice and golden brown. And now it's time to assemble our dish. We're gonna put the soup on top of the noodles and we're gonna mix it together. Then we're gonna sprinkle on top our pine nuts. And as a final touch, we're gonna add some lemon zest for some freshness. And here it is, your super healthy and super fresh zucchini noodle soup. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.